everybody. I'm Daisy and this is my friend
Holly.
And today we're going to make slime. And with this, a big thumb up and subscribe here down below. Let's begin with the video. So first we add glue up to the 30.
Okay.
She's going first. Because I went first last time and it came out like this. It's purple, hers is blue, but it's
Because
very...
my favourite colour is blue. Oh, that's another.
That's to 20, not to 30.
Okay.
You can add it up to 20 if you want. But it will be teen. That's up to 30.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to add it to 30.
Which are we doing? Oh my gosh, look Daisy, how much you got?
It's not up to 30.
That's enough.
That's enough now. Okay, so let's add the colour.
I'm going to put in blue.
The purple.
Sky blue.
Whoops.
Doesn't matter.
Let's mix it.
I'm going to put my scent in next. So can I put some
Vanilla. Yeah. Vanilla. Yeah.
Yep, thanks.
Let's mix it. Mix it.
I'm going to use
I
this bit.
think this is like too dark. So let's add some more to make it even darker because this is bright and I'm going to add it to this. And clay that makes it even brighter.
Put the pile afterwards.
Okay, what should I put in now?
No, first you add the clay and then...
Yes, that's what I did.
So
I'm going to put a little
the clay makes it more stretchy. I'm going to put a teeny bit in.
and it makes it way more softer.
Yeah, that is right.
This is hard.
I think we should add the activator. We got this thing for it.
I'm going to use this whole bottle.
Let's just use that. So you just
I'm
press
going
the
to just use the one with that.
button. Don't go crazy. Oh, no.
See,
Oh.
that's enough. So let's mix it. And activator makes it into a ball like this. But when it's like this, don't connect it with your hands yet because it will go all wrong.
Slime.
All wrong. So
I mean, your hands.
we need to mix it for 3 minutes.
No, 3 seconds.
3 minutes.
No, I did 3 seconds. 30 seconds. 1,
Yeah, that's 3 minutes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, I need a little bit more. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Look at the difference from these two.
8, 9,
This looks like white.
30, 40, 50.
That's great.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Have you had so much clay?
22, no. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
It's just stuck to your spoon.
30.
I'm gonna feel mine.
Ollie, you have to knead it now, Ollie, with your fingers.
I'm not gonna do it yet.
If it doesn't work, I'm just going to put a little bit of clay in.
Yeah, but no, you squeeze it.
I'm gonna add a little bit more clay. Just a teeny.
Yeah, I'll have to put more clay in. It's like doing it again.
Okay, that looks a bit sticky, so let's add more.
Not too much.
There.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
You're having some jewels in, girls.
No, because you need to do that before
Okay.
the activator.
What?
Nothing.
What are you looking at?
Oh, these.
Phone cup. Okay, open it.
Shall
You need it nowadays.
It doesn't matter, because you can always put clay in, can't you?
Yeah, I think I am going to right now.
Wow. Okay.
Are you gonna add that to your other blue
Oh
slime?
my god. Maybe.
Maybe. I think I got slime now, but then a bit sticky. But I just need to do a bit more
Kneading.
kneading. I think that's very good, but I think I need that more
Yes, I
clay.
think you need a bit more of that, yeah. Look. A big bit.
That part?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it will. Trust me.
This more?
Yeah.
So a little slime.
Oh, yes.
Gosh, look at the giant difference. There's no difference.
Mine is a big difference. Oh, that's a bit darker than the other blue.
It's still a little bit hard. So I'm going to put some activator in.
Oh,
Should I put some more activator in?
I show them because maybe it will
Okay,
be
I'll
like,
get some a bit more clean then.
because maybe it will make it like the other one all hard and all the way. But that doesn't matter, you can add more clay.
Yeah.
Whoa! That was just...
Whoa, this is sticky. Look. Whoa.
Can I have some clay?
If you haven't subscribed yet, you have 5 seconds
You need
to
some activation
subscribe.
in that.
5, 4,
Is that
Yeah,
too?
we're
not done yet.
Want some more
What?
clay?
Okay, I'm still mixing mine. Still a little bit hard.
Mine's still really hard.
It's hard.
Mine's hard.
You need some activator days.
I think I do. Just one little drop.
Okay, hold it like that.
Whoa. Oh, then it came off of the
Days do it like that, I'll pour it in.
Oh my god. If I add this to this slime, it'll be a big slime.
Yeah.
I want my slime to be really soft.
Mine is very soft.
That makes a giant noise.
Wait, I
Ooh.
think my slime
Feel
is
that
ready
slime.
now.
Wow, that feels amazing.
Right, do you want to say goodbye to all the people?
No, we're not done. We need to add the in.
And you said you were gonna...
Ah!
What's next then, girls? What are you going to do next?
Oh, we're gonna do I'm not gonna say. Shall I add this to this one?
I'm going to... Wait,
Wait, that's like pink.
No.
You got real pink and
No.
pale.
Okay, we added it.
Wow.
Look how big slime.
Look how stretchy that is.
I love this colour. Just one.
No, it don't work. It don't work. Don't. No. There's a.
Never mind. Mine looks like blue. A bit.
Mine actually looks like blue.
Yeah.
It looks like this.
There's a phone ball.
Oh. Dun, dun, dun.
Look, there's phone ball in it.
Oh my gosh.
This phone ball. I
Look how
can't
big this
believe how big it is.
Wow.
Top.
You can't really
Stretch it, yeah.
That's a good cake. You can't really hear it though.
Wait. So, I'm going to
Wow, look at the stretch.
fumble. No fumble. Wait, Holly.
This is how stretchy we wanted it to be.
And this is how good I wanted it to be.
This is also how good I wanted it to be.
And look,
Oh.
I just did this in my slime, and it just
my God.
stays.
This is so cool. Wait, will it
And
fill the whole tub up?
Or I will.
Almost. Almost.
I have. Oh, I have. Look. I have.
At the under. You need to get it under, don't we?
Okay. Mine's not sticky at all if you kneading it, or does stick a
Oh my God.
bit. Wait, it doesn't.
I can't
It's
swim.
all green. Weird. And if you do this,
Shall we
it
put some
should
decorations in
stay in your slime, and if it didn't, it's not a good slime.
It's not jiggling.
Wow.
Let's say.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, what I mean is with this, I do this, and
This might be the best video.
this should happen if you do
We have.
this.
There's a rainbow. There was this one. PC?
No, don't put it in my slime. And look up the tea. This is
I'm putting that in my slime after.
no.
So loud.
Yeah, but you should.
Wow. Oh, hang on. Let me get a picture of that. That looks really good.
Before it goes on the table. Okay, it's on the table. You should see this. Look at this, Holly. Wait. Oh, I thought there was a lid.
Daisy, can I whisper something to you?
Yeah. I don't know what you mean. What you doing? Okay.
La 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 la. This is so nice. This might be the best video of me sing for that.
What are you doing?
Look at this.
Shall we end them together?
No.
Bam!
Should we have a little bit of each of us?
Okay, let's feel each other's.
Okay.
We're gonna feel each other's.
Ooh, this is quite good.
Yours is warm.
Oh, this is nice. Can I make a swirl out for yours?
Sure. Yeah. I think I can make a swirl with this one. Or maybe I can't make a swirl. Yay, a swirl!
I'm trying to make a swirl with mine. That's quite good, isn't it?
Oh, it broke.
Doesn't matter.
Oh.
Those rates.
Okay, shall we swap now?
Yes.
Let's have our owns back. So this is
I'm gonna
mine.
should we put our decorations in, Daisy?
I'm gonna add this.
Need to do.
How do you open this?
I'm gonna put some fake snow in and then.
Fake snow.
Yeah, so.
Oh, I didn't know. This looks like pink. Oh, it's purple then.
Yeah. Cold.
So,
You're not supposed to add colour after the activator, though, are you? That's not.
Can I go some? Can you make me look awesome? Only a tiny wee bit.
okay, let's Do this.
Okay. I'm going to make a slab and put the decorations on it.
Mine.
What are you going to do?
Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it.
Have you done some of these?
No.
Have you done some of these?
Because that doesn't feel nice with your hands, does it, Daisy?
I think I can add one.
Oh, look at
You
that.
can. You can, Mummy.
It says before that.
Doesn't matter. It's still slime.
Okay, I'm going to make
Oh.
Who's making this one?
What you chop? Hi.
Wait, you two are going to judge who's your favourite slime. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Later, you two are going to
Oh.
decide.
Do you want to make a new video and have some new slime?
Later. Once we're done
No.
with this one.
We're gonna make another time. So that's the end of the video.
Wait.
Bye.